Hi and welcome to Step Ahead Kiddos. Today, we're going to check out lots of yummy fruits together. Whether they're sweet, sour, or a little different, there are so many colourful fruits to see. Let's jump in and explore some awesome fruits. Can you guess what fruit this is? This is an apple. Let's say together. Apple.
Did you know apples have a super cool secret? Apples float. Apples are mostly made of air, which is why they can float in water. You can even try bobbing for apples.
Do you know which fruit this is? It's a watermelon. Let's say together. Watermelon.
Here is another fun fact about watermelon. Did you know that watermelon is super watery? Watermelon is made up of 92% water, making it a refreshing treat on a hot day.
What fruit could this be? Grapes. Let's say together. Grapes. Take a guess. What fruit do you think this is? This is an orange. Let's repeat. Orange. Can you guess what fruit this is? Banana. Let's say together. Banana.
Here's a surprising fact. Bananas are actually berries. But guess what? Strawberries aren't berries at all. Isn't that wild?
Take a guess. What fruit do you think this is? This is a peach. Let's say together. Peach. Can you guess what fruit this is? It's a pineapple. Let's say together. Pineapple.
Want to hear a surprising fact about pineapples? Growing pineapples takes a while. It can take 2 to 3 years for a pineapple to grow and be ready for you to eat.
Do you know which fruit this is? Strawberry. Let's say together. Strawberry.
Here's a cool fact about strawberries. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. Isn't that unique?
Can you guess what fruit this is? Pear. Let's say together. Pear. What fruit could this be? Kiwi. Let's say together. Kiwi. Take a guess. What fruit do you think this is? Cherry. Let's say together. Cherry. Can you guess what fruit this is? Blueberry. Let's say together. Blueberry. Do you know which fruit this is? It's a plum. Let's say together. Plum. What fruit could this be? This is a mango. Let's say together. Mango. Do you know which fruit this is? It's a pomegranate. Let's say together. Pomegranate. Can you guess what fruit this is? This is a fig. Let's say together. Fig. What fruit could this be? It's an apricot. Let's say together. Apricot. Take a guess. What fruit do you think this is? This is a dragon fruit. Let's say together. Dragon fruit. Can you guess what fruit this is? This is a nectarine. Let's say together. A nectarine. Do you know which fruit this is? It's a lemon. Let's say together. Lemon.
Another secret. A long time ago, lemons were hard to find in Europe because they only grew in warm places. They were so special that kings and queens would sometimes get them as gifts.
It was great to explore the different fruits with you. We hope you had a lot of fun discovering the delicious fruits and their interesting facts. Remember, there's always something new to learn and try. The world is full of discoveries. If you enjoyed our video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can join us for our next adventures. Always remember, there's nothing you can't learn in this world. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.